back to my channel. Today we're going to be making fake nails out of brushes. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Maylee. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. And if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So now we're going to get straight on to this video. So first thing first, we're going to begin with some nail prep. So first, sanitize your hands. The alcohol in it will dry out the oils from your natural nails. So next, take a nail buffer and lightly buff the surface of your nails. This will help the nails last longer. Next, I took this base coat by Elegant Touch in the colour Natural Pink and applied a nice thick layer to all my nails. This will protect your natural nails and also makes the removal process much easier. Then let it dry and then take any kind of brush. I use this paintbrush. The stiffer the bristles, the better it will work. We're going to be attaching them using nail glue. I used this one by Sulk Hair. Work in little sections because nail glue dries really quick. So instead of working one by one, it's best to bunch them together and glue it at the top so that it will be quicker. You want to put them together as close as possible and leave no gaps. Otherwise you're going to have some real problems later on. By the way guys, if you have any video suggestions, don't be shy, let me know. But seriously, comment down below if you have any ideas. So anyway, continue to form the whole tip. Now I'm going to show you this again one more time. And as you can see, I made the chunks a lot bigger. And it was much faster. So I'm going to put some top tips in the description for you guys. Because why not? And also because it's really helpful in my opinion. So once you have gotten into this stage, trim down the nails. Oh yeah, I forgot. You want to apply nail glue to how long you want the nails. This will help fill in the really small gaps and hold it together a bit more. Now you can trim it down. Now I'm covering it with nail glue again. Now take the same base coat from earlier and only apply it to your natural nail. and then cover it in cornstarch. If you don't want to do the cornstarch glue method, you can use UV gel or acrylic or something like that. So after a minute, brush off the excess, then repeat again. Then after those 2 layers, apply the base coat to the whole nail. Then scoop up some more cornstarch, then brush it off, and then repeat until you're happy with the thickness. This is how the nails are looking so far. You need to file and shape them to get a smooth surface. Now I'm gonna paint them. Then once it's dry, apply some cuticle oil. Now I'm going to show you the removal process. So first, remove the nail polish. Next, trim off the extension. File down as much cornstarch as you can. Avoid filing your natural nail. Now soak them in nail polish remover for at least 10 minutes. Then it should be easy to remove. You will notice that you can easily pop off the excess bristles. And then apply some cuticle oil. I use solar oil. But if you don't have any, you can try using coconut oil. This is a very important step, especially if you want to keep your nails healthy. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Also, thank you guys for over 1,000 subscribers. I try to reply to as many comments as I can. So if you have any questions, comment down below.